Welcome to my new video. Today we'll discuss a simpler topic. We just want to install a toilet seat here, and not just any toilet seat, but I have a very special toilet seat here. It's from the company Dombach and it's the Celesto model. The advantage of this toilet seat is that it has a quick release system and is pretty easy to install. I just want to take a look at the installation site with you. As we can see, I've already removed the previous toilet seat here. It's really important here. Please clean the surface thoroughly, and we'll also take another look at the underside. And here as well, it's especially important that you clean the surface thoroughly and remove any residue. Sometimes a washer from the previous model remains stuck here as well. Please make sure to remove it accordingly. To carry out the installation properly, the package includes mounting materials for two different installation options. Let's just start with the first mounting option. For this, we need the screws included in the package, these backing plates, the nuts, and of course our mounting pins. Important, please don't forget to attach the rubber pads down here beforehand. Now we insert the screw here. We have a slotted hole here for adjustment. Place the small plate here and make sure you put it on the right way around. This also holds the nut in position at the same time, so it can be tightened. We put the nut on, and now we can place this small plate against the thread, so it looks something like this. The advantage is that we can now insert this entire assembly from above, and before we tighten the screw connection, we can align it here. To make sure everything fits, we simply click our toilet seat onto the tabs here, close it, and align it. When aligning, just make sure that the toilet seat is mounted in the center of our toilet bowl here. Once we've reached our position, we can now tighten both screws back here. Please make sure not to tighten them too much. Now we open the toilet seat, press this button inside and lift it off upwards. If necessary, the connections can be tightened again here. However, make sure that the screw connections are not tightened too much. Once the holder is secure, we attach the cover panel and can reinstall the toilet seat. Of course, we also have a second option available to install the toilet seat. For this, we have these two mounting plugs included in the package. Simply press these into the two mounting holes. Now take the mounting brackets again. Again, please ensure the rubber gasket is properly attached here. We placed the prepared mounting bracket onto our holes and now insert our screw here. With this method, we place the toilet seat here again and close it. We align the toilet seat optimally again. The elongated holes help us find the right position. Here, we also roughly tighten our screw connection again. Now we open the toilet lid again and remove it by pressing this button underneath and pulling it upwards. If necessary, the screw connections can be tightened again here. Now put on the cover caps. Mount the toilet lid again by snapping it on. And close it. This means the installation is basically done. Advantage of the quick release system, we can now easily remove the toilet seat again to clean it if necessary. Or to carry out any maintenance or cleaning work, for example here on the toilet. Attaching it is just as fast. Put it on, let it snap, and you're done. So, and with that, I've already reached the end of my video. One more important note, this toilet seat was kindly provided to me by Dombach. The link to the product, of course, as always, is down below in the video description. If you enjoyed or found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Would you like to see more? No problem, just subscribe to my channel here, because subscribing on YouTube is, of course, free. And if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, just click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. I'll say goodbye for now. See you next time. Yours, Mark, on YouTube.